Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, we are going to be learning how to get the official CoinGecko application installed on your mobile device, whether you are using Android or iOS. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that your device you are using is connected to a stable internet, and once it is, open up Google Play Store or your App Store. In the search bar, type in CoinGecko. Look for this application that says CoinGecko Crypto Tracker and NFT from CoinGecko. Now click on the install button on your Android or the get or the cloud icon on your iPhone to start the download process. Wait for the download and installation to finish, and once it does, click on Open. Allow necessary permissions if prompted, and now click on the Continue with Email, Google, or Apple option to start signing up or logging in to CoinGecko. After logging in, you can explore crypto prices, charts, and portfolios safely on CoinGecko. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more safe and official how-to guides. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching and stay connected.